When you first install Hermes, the default setup handles simple prompts well, but it breaks down the moment you run complex engineering workflows. This error screen shows the first major failure point. If you close your active terminal session, your background user interface dies instantly, resulting in a disconnected server. This dashboard graphic highlights the second hidden flaw. The default configuration routes sub-agent tasks through expensive per-token API credits, which deplete rapidly during heavy coding. In under 6 minutes, we will fix both of these issues and build a persistent, cost-optimized, single-pane developer workspace. To detach the Hermes dashboard from your terminal window, we need to leverage systemd. This is a core Linux subsystem that manages background services. Instead of editing configuration files by hand, ask the Hermes agent to build the background service. In the input field, instruct it to always start up with Ubuntu. The agent natively understands this request, confirms receipt, and proceeds with the configuration. This terminal readout confirms the automated backend execution. The agent will silently write the required files, creating the systemd user units and the necessary symlinks. Now, go ahead and intentionally close your active terminal session to test the persistence. Open your web browser and navigate to your local host port. You will see the active green system health graphs and streaming logs are still running perfectly. By establishing this persistent background service, your developer dashboard survives accidental window closures and system reboots. Step 2 addresses operating costs. Running heavy multi-agent coding tasks on a standard API token account scales up your expenses rapidly. The solution is to authenticate the command line interface directly. This routes your sub-agents to piggyback on your primary flat-rate Claude Pro subscription instead of burning individual tokens. Return to the terminal user interface and type exactly this: "I'd like to authenticate Claude Code in the CLI." The split screen shows the OAuth handshake process. The agent generates an authorization URL in the terminal. Copy that link and paste it into your web browser to reach the login screen. If you are operating inside an isolated virtual machine, this process won't autocomplete. You must manually copy the generated success token from the browser and paste it back into your terminal prompt. To guarantee Hermes routes front-end tasks to that newly authenticated model, you must set explicit team rules. This clearly defines the model boundaries for your engineering delegates. With the OAuth loop finished and your routing rules established, you can deploy aggressive multi-agent swarms while keeping your monthly costs completely flat. You still have one piece of workflow friction left: the constant need to toggle back and forth between your terminal window and your web browser. We are going to solve this by embedding the terminal interface directly into the web dashboard. Back in your terminal prompt, type this command: "Let's enable the TUI chat in the dashboard, please." You can now abandon the standalone terminal completely. Switch over to your browser tab, click Maximize, and allow the session to refresh in the background. This unified interface shows the successful integration. The terminal now exists as a lightning-fast native component sitting right alongside your dashboard metrics. Eliminating that window switching friction completely keeps you in a hyper-focused, unbroken state of flow for complex engineering tasks. You have successfully transformed a basic installation into a professional-grade AI workstation. You now have 24/7 background persistence, subscription-based sub-agents for cost control, and a unified workspace. This specific optimized environment serves as the mandatory foundation for our upcoming advanced agent workflows. Drop a comment with your specific industry use case and target audience so we can tailor the next workflow build to your exact needs.